In this video, you are going to learn a few different ways to profit and make money from this situation without being unethical. Please note that I won't be mentioning things like reselling masks, hand sanitizers and other things like that, since it's pretty unethical, and as I said, this video is about ethical ways to make money from this situation.
Every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Hello everyone and welcome to Equals Cash. My name is Adam and I've been making money online since 2010. If you want to learn more about social media marketing, making money online and digital marketing in general, make sure to subscribe, because on this channel I'm sharing everything that I've learned in the past 10 years completely free. Since YouTube is demonetizing videos that are mentioning the current disease, I'm going to call it the C bug in order to avoid getting demonetized and therefore undiscoverable. I did a poll on my community page recently asking which video should I make first, and more people wanted me to cover different ways to make money from the current C-bug situation, so here we go. There are two main strategies to monetize current situation. One is long-term and another is short-term. Let's first start with the long-term strategies, and then I'm going to go over a few ways that can start making you money almost instantly. For those of you watching until the end, I'm going to include one more bonus way that's really hot right now. Before we start, please take a second to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, since it really helps a lot. First thing that you can do if you are not looking to profit right away is to slowly start investing and buying stocks. For those of you that are interested in investing, I'm sure you already know that the stock prices are dropping in markets all over the world and we are entering the recession. I'm sure prices will continue to fall, and that's the reason why I said that you need to slowly start investing. Once this situation with the C-bug settles down, prices will start to increase again and you will be able to make some great profits. I won't go into more details about this right now, since I'm going to make a separate video about investing. So for those of you who are interested, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon if you don't want to miss it. Next thing that you can do is to invest your time into something. With all these lockdowns, everyone not working in essential industries have much more free time. What you choose to do with your free time can determine your future success. I suggest you to start learning new skills, methods and things that you've been putting off. Even if you are expert at something, there's always a ton of useful things that you can learn and improve your knowledge. YouTube is full of great content about anything you want and it's totally free. If you are a complete beginner and haven't made any money online yet, I suggest you to start researching and figure out what you would want to do and then focus on that. Learn everything about it and improve skills that would be useful for the type of business that you would want to start. For example, if you want to get into dropshipping, start researching products, improve your design and copywriting skills, choose the traffic source that you would want to use and learn more about it, and so on. If you want to start with affiliate marketing, you should also learn more about design and copywriting, especially if you want to use paid traffic sources. You can also learn more about different paid traffic sources and how to use them. If you don't have any money to invest, you can start learning about search engine optimization, for example, or social media marketing, so you can start getting that sweet organic traffic that's absolutely free. I have a lot of videos about Instagram on my channel, which I suggest you to check out if you want to get into social media as your main traffic source. And I'm also planning to release a lot more useful videos about dropshipping, affiliate marketing, drop servicing, print on demand, and much more, so stay tuned for that. Some topics are not really covered on YouTube, so depending on what you want to learn, other places where you can learn are blogs, forums, and if you have some spare change, I would definitely recommend Skillshare. If you choose Skillshare, you would definitely save up some time, since you will be able to find everything in one place. I haven't really used Skillshare before, but I'm currently watching some video editing courses and I really like the platform. Another long-term strategy is to invest your time into content creation. I've mentioned this in a video that I made recently, but since most people are home right now, the demand for content increased a lot. If you already have Instagram page, YouTube channel or any other kind of social media presence, I suggest you to start uploading much more content. People are sitting at home, don't really socialize and are getting really bored. Everyone is spending much more time online and consuming much more content, which is your chance to get discovered. Not only that, but a ton of people are starting to use social media for the first time, which is your chance to build a bigger audience. You can also expand to other platforms that you weren't utilizing before, like TikTok for example, which is really exploding right now. This is really a great opportunity to grow your online presence, and once the situation with the C-Bug settles down, you will have much broader audience, which you can then monetize however you want. If you don't have social media presence at all and haven't started yet, I suggest you to start with Instagram and TikTok first, which leads me to another long-term way to monetize this crisis, which is building your personal brand. As I said, people are spending much more time online, consuming content, and if you are in one of those non-essential industries or still at school, you have a ton of free time now, which is a perfect opportunity to start working on your personal brand. When it comes to personal branding, you can choose whichever platform you like and start building your audience. If you want to start with YouTube, for example, I suggest you to check these growth reports, and also let me know if you want to get into YouTube, because I can make more videos on how to grow and get started on YouTube, since I've been learning a lot about it since I started this YouTube channel, and I'm sure I can help you out. If you want to get into Instagram, I've made this playlist which is full of useful Instagram videos that will help you get started and grow your following. And finally, if you want to get into TikTok, which I highly suggest you to do, I've recently published an overview video that will help you get started, and I'm also planning to cover much more, since TikTok is probably the biggest opportunity in 2020 if you want to get into social media and grow your audience from scratch. I definitely suggest you to think about these last two ways, because you will not only profit from it in the long run, but you will be also helping people right now, which is great and will definitely boost your motivation. I hope you got some ideas already on how you can use this situation to profit in the long run, but let's go over some ways on how you can start making money from this situation right now. First of all, as I said, I won't be mentioning any unethical methods like reselling medical supplies or anything related to C-Bug directly. Instead, you can make content around C-Bug indirectly, since it's such a trending topic. I'm aware that you can get demonetized on YouTube, for example, if you are mentioning the C-Bug, but you can avoid mentioning it directly like I'm doing in this video, or you can still mention it and then profit from it indirectly. What that means is that this is a really hot topic right now, and I'm sure that a lot of you are consuming a ton of C-Bug related content. So make content that involves something around the C-Bug, but in your niche, just like I'm doing right now, since my niche is digital marketing and making money online. You can't monetize the video, but it has a huge possibility of going viral, and you can get a lot of new audience and subscribers from that. By the way, this works on any social media platform and not just on YouTube. As you can see, I'm making this video and I know that there's a possibility that it will receive that yellow dollar sign, but I really don't care, since it's a hot topic and it will gain me some new subscribers who might check some of my other videos that are not demonetized and also check my future videos. Another way to profit from this crisis is to short the stock market. For those of you who are new to investing, short selling is pretty much opposite of buying stocks and waiting for price to increase. Instead, you are betting that the stock price will actually decrease, and you then profit from the price difference. Let's say you short Disney stock at the current price of $96 and the price drops to 86 in a few days, you made $10 profit. Markets are really volatile right now, and as I said, this is a huge opportunity for everyone looking to start stock trading and investing. But since these are really broad topics, I will be making separate videos for that if you guys are interested. The third way to make money right now is to take advantage of low paid traffic costs and low CPMs. As I've mentioned in this video, paid traffic costs decrease a lot across all platforms and ad networks because a lot of advertisers stop their ads or decreased budgets, and also there's much more traffic available because people are online much more. This is a huge opportunity for everyone using paid traffic sources. You can advertise your services, affiliate offers, clickbank products, dropshipping products, drop servicing products, or anything in between. It's much easier to test different offers and monetization methods when the price of traffic is low, which leads me to the fourth way to use this situation to your advantage, and that's to invest in toilet paper. Just kidding. Fourth way to use this situation to make money works great, especially when combined with paid traffic, and that's to use this situation as a marketing angle and take advantage of people's emotions, uncertainty, and lockdowns. Just like I mentioned in this video, there are some new niches and marketing angles emerging. There are products that work great right now, especially if you are using the right angle. Products like home workout equipment, home workout programs, anything health related, cleaning products, kitchen equipment, cooking courses, board games, games in general, make money online products, and so on. Some of you might argue that using this situation as a marketing angle is a bit unethical, but good marketing was always about taking advantage of people's emotions, psychology, and trends. I recently saw a company that sells hair cutting and hairstyling machines that really use this situation perfectly, since barbershops are closed in most places. I hope you got the idea of what I'm talking about, and if not, please let me know down in the comment section and I can make an in-depth video on how to use this to your advantage and come up with great marketing angles. The final way that I want to mention is a bit situational. If you have a service-based business, try to think of a way to offer online buying and shipping, or if there's no way to make your services available online, try to come up with similar services that you can offer online. Companies that are offering deliveries and online services are crushing it right now, and there's really no reason that you can't as well. For those of you who don't have businesses, figure out what skills you have and then start offering online coaching or something like that. If you have business skills, design skills, you are a personal trainer or anything like that, now is the great time to start offering online coaching. Just remember to use this situation as an angle. Current situation is really changing fast and there are new opportunities emerging every day, so the main thing to keep in mind if you want to take advantage of this is to act fast. If you don't want to deal with Chinese suppliers and you never tried affiliate marketing or drop servicing, I recommend you print on demand, specifically CBUG related designs on t-shirts and other products. You can do something like this and target medical workers, or something like this and target everyone in those essential industries, or this and then use the angle that soon this CBUG situation will pass, but you want to have something to show your children or grandchildren in the future. You can get really creative with print on demand, especially if you have some design skills, and if not, now is the perfect time to learn and improve. Hope you got the idea of what's possible right now, which was really the goal of this video. I'm going to start uploading daily now, and I'm planning to publish a lot of practical guides and methods in coming days and weeks. So make sure to subscribe with the bell icon and let me know what seems the most interesting to you so I can cover it in depth. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that thumbs up if you like this video and check some of my other videos. If this video gets good feedback from you guys, I'm going to make part 2 as soon as new opportunities emerge. Thanks for watching, stay safe and stay home.